What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, I got some smoking hot Dollar General deals that you could do today on Saturday. But before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into this video. And y'all, some of these coupons are expiring today, not gonna lie, but some of them are still good for next week's shopping. So don't get discouraged when you see some of these deals that you probably was like, dang, I wish I could have did that deal or this deal, I got this and that. But like I said, some of the coupons is still gonna be good. Some of them are expiring today on Saturday. But I just wanted to show y'all what I got. So let's get into this first transaction. Okay, y'all, here is the first transaction. And I had got three of these Scott towel papers, three of the toilet papers. I didn't have no room to put all of that. But as you know, they have the deal when you spend 15, you save three automatically. So the Scott toilet paper, three of them, that's 15. And with that $3 coming off will make them $12. And then I got three of the $6.50 towel paper. I wanted to get the $5 ones, but they didn't have none, so I went and got the next step up. I got three of those, which was $19.50 because they are on sale for $6.50, and I prefer these anyway compared to the 6 row of the $5 one, because these are much fatter than and you actually getting your money's worth, because these are, I got these yesterday and the rows are so small on those compared to these, but they were 16.50 with the $3 off. And as long as you get sets of threes, $3 will come off when you get to that, $15 mark, which I thought was awesome. So I saved $6 on this toilet paper and towel paper in this one transaction. And this is a 10 off of 40 deal. So all the deals I'm gonna be showing y'all is $10 off of 40. Now we got the game beads. They were $4.50. We have a $2.50 coupon attaching, making them $2. And that's the coupon, y'all, that was not working the beginning of the week, which I thought was unfair, because it is a great coupon, but it was only available today. And I mean, we could have been using this coupon all week instead of waiting till Saturday, the last day, to use it. Because some people's money might not be set up like that, and they might had to use that coupon on a certain day. But anyway, the Arm& and Hammer, y'all, they got these new bottles out. It got the 50 crossed out and it's saying 67 loads. Well, these are $5, and we have a $2 coming off, making it just $3. Then I got one of the Christmas scent Febreze. They are $3.50. We have a $2 off, making it $1.50. And then around the corner is the Palmolive Hiding. I got the 32-ounce one. It was $3.95. We have $1.50 coming off, making it $2.45. So the total for all of these items after coupons was $27.45, making each item $2.74. So you cannot beat that at all, y'all. Not at all. So let's jump into this next transaction. Okay, y'all, here is my second transaction. And I needed to re-up y'all on dryer sheets, body washes. So I put together this transaction. It's a 10 out of 40 as well. And I am about to be transparent with y'all. I probably will not no longer be putting out Saturday videos because I'm pretty sure y'all want to see deals throughout the week, even though some, like I told y'all, some of these coupons are not expiring yet. But it's not fair that these deals are ending and I'm putting out a video. Basically, I'm just showing y'all what I did on my Saturday transactions and stuff like that when I do put out these videos, and I do appreciate y'all for watching them. But I'm pretty sure y'all want to see deals throughout the week. So Saturday might be my day to be off from filming and to reflect and try to get some deals ready for y'all during the week. Find some more hidden clearance and stuff like that. So let's get into this transaction. I picked up some soft soap average spring. It was a 4 off for 2 coupon for those. So the soft soap was $5.50. Average spring was $5.35. That was $10.85. The $4 came off, making them $6.85. $3.42 each. I got some Lysol wipes. They were $5. We had $1 off, making them $4. Then I picked up a Suave lotion. It was $4.50. We have $1 off, making it $3.50. Then I got these Downy dryer sheets. They smell so good, y'all. They were $2 each. No coupons for these because I just needed dryer sheets. Then on the Dove body wash, it is $8. We have $3 off, making it 5. And this coupon been around for a couple of weeks, y'all, on the Dove. Then on the game fireworks, they were $4.50. We have a $2.50 off, making them $2. And then on the 144-ounce gain, it was $15.95. We had $4 coming off, making it $11.95. So the total after coupons was $27, making each item $3. Cannot beat that at all, y'all. Especially on the laundry detergent and the Dove body wash, because those were like the two highest things I had got in this transaction. So let's get on to the next transaction. Y'all, I did about 4 transactions. So let's get into the third transaction. Okay, y'all, here is my third transaction. And look at this beat up Downy, y'all. I just got it because it was the last one on the shelf, but this thing is beat up. Okay, we're gonna start off with the Gain softener. It was $9.95. We had a $2 off, making it $7.95. The Gain flings were $15.95. We had 2 coupons attaching, $1.05 and a $4, making it $10.90. Then the Downy Unstoppables, they were $15.95. I had $2 attaching to these as well, which was $1.55 and a $4, making this $10.40. Then on the Downy fabric softener, it was $12.95. We had a $3 coming off, making it $9.95. So the total for these items after coupons was $29.20, making each item $7.30 each, y'all. That is not bad for all of these products. And this is a 60 count of Game Flings, y'all, that I got for $10.90. So you cannot beat that at all. I got everything on this except for dryer sheets. Now, if I found a good deal on some dryer sheets, I would have put it in with this transaction, but This is the only thing I can find that we had decent coupons for. So let's get into the last and final transaction. Okay, y'all, here is my last transaction. Um, we're gonna start off with the phone plates. They were, and it's the 130 count. They were $4.75. We have a $2 off, making them $2.75. The Downy fabric softener intense was $3.95. Two of them was $7.90. We didn't have no coupons. I just needed fabric softener for my stockpile, y'all, because I was running kind of low. Then the Mr. Clean was $4. We have a dollar off, making it three. Small spaces, $3.50. We have a $2 off, making it $1.50. Dawn dishwashing liquid was $4.95. We had a dollar off, making it $3.95. Suave lotion $4.50. We had a dollar off, making it $3.50. And the Gain dryer sheets, I had got two of those at $3.35. So that was $6.70. 6.7. Nah, I'm just playing. $6.70, and no coupons for those. I needed dryer sheets though. Then I got the game beads. It was $4.50. We had a $2.50 off, making it $2. And y'all, I try to run that coupon up. So in every transaction, you probably seen one of these beads. And that's because that coupon was all that. And it was just a shame that they only gave us 1 day to use it. Then I had got one of these. It's supposed to cut your plastic and aluminum foil. It was $5. And then I got this cute pantry sign. It was $3. So the total after coupons for all of these items was $26.45, making each item $2.20. Bam, cannot beat that. And like I told y'all, all these transactions was 10 off of 40, because it's not so often that we get that privilege to use that. They always giving us these 5 off 25s, knowing prices and stuff went up. So they should just leave it permanently 10 off of 40. Comment down below if you think that's what the new Saturday deal should be. 10 off of 40, since prices went up on everything. Let me know down below what's your opinion on that. But y'all, that is the end of the video. My Saturday deals. I hope y'all was able to score today and use y'all 10 off of 40. And turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of deals I will be dropping next. And with that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.